Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain about the plumber block parts with assemble. Let's focus on first part. First part is body. Let's start with SolidWorks. Take a new part. Select extruded boss with the front plane. Total length is given in the question is 168. We're taking by 2. Next, vertical 14, left side 41, vertical 41, left side 21, downside 12, left side is 3, downside again 3. Just connect with the initial point. So like this. Now take the circle, just connect with the initial point. Now let's take a trim the circle, exit the sketch. Now depth is 36 with middle plane. Now select extruded cut, select the top surface. Now take the circle, dia of 86, exit the sketch. Now depth should be 41, accept. Now your most important, depth is 41 with flip cut. This is the most important. It should not cut inside portion, it should cut outside portion. This is the flip cut that enable. I can explain once again. Take the circle, dia of 86. Next, select extruded cut, select the inside portion. It should not take inside portion, it should be outside portion. Select flip cut option, then click accept. It has cut. Next, there is a fillet here, fillet of radius 6. Take. Next, let's take inside portion, base portion. Let's take extruded cut. I suggest you take sketch here, sketch, select the base. Now take the corner rectangle, then close it. Now select offset, here depth should be 8. It's selected outside. Let's take inside, make it reverse, then click accept. Now I'm going to delete outside portion. Next, once you have rectangle, let's go with the circle, dia of 10.5, with the dimension from this point to center is 31. Next, there is a rectangle. It's a square, 20 square, 20 by 20. Next, we have a slot cut. This is a slot cut with 8 mm slot. Height is 10. We have a we have a dimension from the straight is 128. 128 means 64. Let's clarify, just cross check with the dimension. It's 128. It's correct. These all the dimensions are given. 43 we taken. It's 33. It's 31. Let's close the sketch, exit the sketch. Once we had all these sketches, let's go for features, extruded cut. Let's cut a rectangle, outer rectangle first. With holding control, select all this. Depth is given in the drawing is 2 mm. Next, once it's cut, you take the sketch again, take extruded cut, select the circle here. Circle depth is, it should be more than 55. You can select accept. Circle is cut out. Again, select the sketch, select extruded cutout, select the rectangle here. Rectangle depth is given 7 from second the base. It should be 2 mm should be added here. 7 plus 2 is 9. Once it's done, select the sketch again, select extruded cut, select the slot. Slot should be more than 14. Okay, now all these features are done as per the drawing. Next, as per this drawing, we have created all these features. We have pending with a hole. Let's take mirror. Select mirror here. Select the face. Select all these features. Select all these features. Press Ctrl A is the best option. Select all this face first. Let's take mirror. This is a mirror plane. Select all these features. Then click accept. Mirror face, select accept. Just cross check any feature is missing. Now select revolve cutout. Before selecting the revolve cutout, select front plane. Front plane revolve cutout. Take the random figure, random sketches. Take horizontal line from this point. This is dia 6. We should take 3. Height is 6. This line should be inside. This angle is the standard, is a 118. It should come down. Next, exit the sketch. So before that, this is the axis. Let's deselect. This horizontal line should be select as a construction line. Let's exit the sketch. Now revolve cutout. Select the sketch. Select revolve cutout. Select this line, this vertical line as a axis. Then accept. Now this first part is done. Next you can save it as a first part with the Plummer block. This is the first part. Let's go for next part.